In this video, I will show you how to enter a referral code in Cash App. When you use a referral code, both you and the person who shared it can earn rewards. This is a great way to get started with Cash App and enjoy some bonuses. First things first, open up the Cash App on your device. Once you've opened Cash App, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a profile icon, tap on it. Now that you're in your profile settings, scroll down until you find an option labeled, Enter Referral Code. Tap on, Enter Referral Code. A new field will appear where you can type in the code provided by your friend or found online. Make sure there are no typos, otherwise, you might miss out on those valuable rewards. After entering your referral code correctly, tap Enter. This confirms that you've successfully submitted it. So what happens after entering that code? If it's valid and meets any requirements set by Cash App, you'll receive bonus cash directly into your account. The amount may vary depending on promotions running at that time. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.